Hey my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So first let me thank all my subscribers and all the new ones. Fergie loves you, okay? So today we're gonna keep the oncologists away. They said an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So today I'm gonna be making baked apple crumbles. And here are my ingredients: 4 green apples, walnut, cinnamon, almond butter, raisin, and this is dates nectar, and some good old oats, rolled oats with the lemon. So this is my ingredients for today. So I'm gonna just whip something up for you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you try it at home, because these ingredients are pretty easy to get. All right, so I'll see you when I get back. So I'm gonna put a half a cup of walnut, with a half a cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of raisin, and I'm going to use a tablespoon of almond butter. This is natural almond butter. So I'm going to put that in the process. And then guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm here coring my apples before stuffing them. So now I'm stuffing my apples with my pulse mixer. I pulsed it so we can have all these yummy raisin. So guys, I'm gonna, first I have to put a half a cup of water at the bottom of my dish. And then I'm gonna put the syrup all over it. This is my nectar, dates nectar. And I'm gonna have this bake for an hour. So guys, remember my My conventional oven is preheated for 350. So now this is nicely covered. Put it in. And bake it for an hour. So guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and tell everyone what's going on in Fergie's Kitchen for all the good stuff. I'm my FK gang. Here I am with your finished baked apple crumble. I hope you guys enjoy this. This was not so fast because I have to bake for an hour, but it's delish, very delicious. And remember, it's better to use your Granny Smith apples that is firm. You can also use the Fuji apples also, but I like using the Granny Smith. And I hope you guys really enjoy this simple yet tasty recipe. Now let me give you the scripture of the day. The scripture of the day is coming from 1 Corinthians 10 verse 14. Let all that you do be done in love. Everything that you do, whether your work, whether caring for someone, whether loving someone, especially God, your husbands, your wife, your children, whatever you do, if you're cooking, cleaning, whatever it is, let it be done in love, all right? And my message from me to you today is never miss an opportunity to see that it is beautiful. Whatever your it is beautiful, all right? So I just want to thank you, all my subscribers. I want to say, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell everyone about the variety of dishes that comes out of Fergie's Kitchen with nothing but love. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys soon.